Y'all come on in to Miss Dana's kitchen.
Hey everybody, I am so happy that you are joining me today because I have two words for you. Orange Julius. Do you remember those fun drinks that we used to go to the mall and buy and just like walk around with it? And it was so yummy. Well, I have a recipe for it, so I'm going to share it with you. This recipe comes from one of my dear friends, Miss Frances Smothers, who's no longer with us, but she wrote, her daughter, after she passed, wrote this amazing cookbook because she loved to entertain. And so she shared it with me, and I'm going to share it with you. It's going to be in my new book, this recipe is. And so I think that you will really enjoy it. Now, she used to like to do it whenever she would have people over, especially ladies, like for a brunch or something. I think in the summertime, as hot as it has been, and maybe will get even hotter, you would love to have it anytime. So I put a 12-ounce can of frozen orange juice. I'm putting 2 cups of, I'm using whole milk. I think anytime you do these recipes, you probably need to use whole milk. A half a cup of sugar, and this is cane sugar. That's what I like to use. If you feel like you need to have the sugar finer, well, remember what I told you about pepper when you just put it in your spice grinder? We'll do the same, or coffee grinder. Do the same thing with sugar. Just put it in your coffee grinder, and it'll make it really thin. But I think we're fine. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavoring. Then you want to add your ice. We're at my daughter's house today because she's going to sing after a while. So Nico and I are going to spend the afternoon together, and we're all excited about that. I'm going to get a spoon or something and get this ice out. It's kind of
Look right behind you over there. There's this wooden one. Yeah.
Put as much ice as you can in there to kind of fill it up, and then whirl away. Now this is going to be a little loud for a minute, but so just like that, y'all, you can have an Orange Julius at home. Now, the reason I really like this recipe is because it uses things that you already have at home. And I, even, all these recipes that are kind of take old things and make them where you can make them at home. The ones that I like best are the ones that you already have the ingredients in your pantry, in your fridge. So let's taste it and see. It just brings me back. It is so good. Okay, so bon appetit, y'all. But before you go, let me show you what I have now. I'm so excited. My friends in the Amish country, I have asked them to make ladles. We have those beautiful spatulas that will just outlast all of us that I sell on my website. Well, they have made me a ladle. So this is going to be for sale on my website. So go to MissDanasKitchen.com and get you 1 or 2. Bon appetit, y'all.
I want you.
My goodness, are we going to play all after this? Are we going to jump? Are we going to jump? Are we going to jump? Do you see Coco jump? Are we going to jump? Are we going to jump? Look, he closes his eyes and wait for me. Are we going to jump? Yes, we are.
I want you. I want